So the best way I think that would be to set up your Google Meets for your one student, for your one-to-one or your small focus group, would be to use a nickname for your meet. So the way you do that is you'd use g.co slash meet slash, and then you can enter your nickname. So your nickname could be, for example, let's use KHS test. Okay. So once I click enter, that would take me to the meet. So anyone else who enters using KHS test would come to this same meet. So what you can do, KHS being the nickname, what you can do, just switch it off. You can actually come over to your Google Classroom. And if I go into my sample class, I can actually select one student to see that meet. So I can use that in the announcement section. I can use that in the classwork section as material, but I'll just do that in the classwork section here. So I'm going to say, click the link below to join our one-to-one session. Times are, and then you may want to say times are at 11 and 1:30 today. We can add that link, which was g.co slash meet slash KHS test. So I've added that link to that post. And what I am going to do is I'm only going to post it to particular students. Okay, so only to test pupil 1. And I can decide whether to post it now. I can schedule the post if I wish, but I will post that now. So if you wanted to, you could schedule that on day 1 for your 5 days. So let's post that. And now if we decide that it's now Tuesday and we want to use the same post again or a similar post, we can actually reuse that post, select the class. This is the post I want to reuse. Okay, I'm going to edit that. Now that it's Tuesday, we are going to be seeing at 9 o'clock and 12:30 today. And in this case, I will actually schedule that. Let me verify it. Select student, and I will schedule that for tomorrow morning. Oops, 9th is tomorrow, and I'll just get that to come on at 7:45. Okay, so now that has been scheduled to come in tomorrow. Okay, now if I head over and show you exactly what it looks like for the student. Okay, I've got my test pupil here. Let's head over into his classroom. Sample class. Okay, and we have that one post which has come up just for that one student, and the times would be there for them. Okay, so that's the best way I think is the best way to. That's what I think is the best way to do that, as our times are changing regularly. Okay, and you can use the one nickname for all of your students. You'll just sort of change the times that you're using for them.